Hi, good evening. This is Darshan. I am from Chitradurga. I completed my graduation in Maharaja Institute of Technology, Tandopura in Mysore district. After completion of my graduation, I joined this Pyspiders and I take a course as a Python full stack developer course. So they give complete course knowledge about what is that Python as well as what is that SQL and what is that web technology. They give all the details about that, and I'm thankful for that. Then after completion of my this course, I got a placement from Pyspiders in Zio Omega company with a 6 LPA 6 lakhs per annum package. So it's so much good, and I'm thankful for all the faculties who supports me, as well as I'm thankful for all the HRs who supports me to get placed in this company.